What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to take off your door handles and reinstall them. It's a little bit of trick to it, but so you have a bolt on the inside, that's 8mm, and then you have a Phillips head screw, and then you have to unclip it on the inside. The bar is shaped like this. So it goes in, and then your clip on your door handle just kind of goes like that. A pressure connection, so it just goes over the little bar and holds it in place. I'll show you that part. It's just a little metal piece. So, all right, let's get to it. So I've already taken out the Phillips head screw. It's just right in there. It goes at a little bit of an angle. Just be careful when you're putting it back in so you don't cross thread it. So when you loosen up the Phillips head, it loosens up that part right there. The 8mm is on the inside. It just loosens up that part. You're going to want to grab your flathead screwdriver because you're not going to be able to get this off with your hands. And you got to find the latch. I don't think I can do this way. I'm right-handed and I'm having a hard time. Alright, I'm going to try a pick. Don't stab yourself. So that's a little compression piece I was talking about. My new ones didn't come with this, so I got to take this off and put it on the new ones. But yeah, the bar just slides in there, and then you just push it right on, and it keeps it in place.